Here at Racedom, we only bring you top-quality products, trusted by tuners and racers worldwide. So let's dive in and unbox the LinkECU G4X N350X plug-in ECU, built specifically for the Nissan 350Z. The LinkECU G4X FuryX is a premium standalone engine management system from the G4X series, designed for serious performance builds. It supports fully sequential control for up to 6 cylinders and features a built-in Bosch LSU 4.9 wideband lambda controller, dual knock control, and drive-by-wire throttle support. With advanced motorsport functions like launch control, anti-lag, traction control, and closed-loop boost, the FuryX offers powerful tuning flexibility. It also includes CAN bus connectivity, 512 megabytes of onboard logging, and free PC-Link tuning software, making it ideal for high-end street, race, or drift applications. So don't wait, hit us up and get your LinkECU from Racedom today.